What? What, baby? What's the matter? Well, you got your eyes closed. You scared? Yeah? You gotta go get a shot. Okay? I'll go get you all shot all better. Okay. We'll be at the vet soon. I know. I don't like it either. Oh. Oh, baby. Oh. Don't you want to go to the vet? Who's that? Buddy? Come here, baby. Come keep Tigger company. Okay, gotta go. Mama's gotta drive.